Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2-minute parsha. In this week's Sidra of VaEtchanan, Moshe begins by telling us how he poured out his heart in prayer before Hashem, please can I enter the land? And in the end, Hashem's answer seems to be no. And the first thing we see from there is that sometimes the answer to prayer is no, and that's okay. You could not accuse Hashem of not loving Moshe. Hashem loved Moshe very, very much. And you could not accuse Moshe of not being a holy and deserving person. He certainly was. There was seemingly no better situation for prayers to be answered, and yet the answer was no. And afterwards Moshe goes on to continue having a loving relationship with Hashem. But there's another point over here that the Ishbitzer Rebbe, Rabbi Mordechai Yosef Leiner, raises in the Meshiloach. That he says, when Moshe says VaEtchanan, that basically means I was filled with supplication to Hashem at that time. It's not just something that he did, but it's something that entered inside of him. And he says what that means is Hashem filled me with inspiration to pray. Hashem filled me with desire to pray in front of him. And so he asks, why did Hashem fill him with that love and inspiration, that desire to pray, if the answer was going to be no? And the answer he gives is this exact point, is that it was to serve as an example for all subsequent generations. So it wasn't just that Moshe decided of his own accord to pray. Hashem filled Moshe with inspiration, with supplication to pray before Hashem, to pray for something he desperately wanted. Hashem still said no, and they still carried on. Please God, our prayers should be answered with a yes, but even if they're not, we should be okay with that. Shabbat Shalom.